While most women are about to spend thousands of dollars this year to fix speedy aging with supplements, Botox, fillers, creams, and all manner of gadgets that flood the market each year, I'm going to show you 4 natural forgotten foods every woman should be eating to turn back the clock. I'm Annie, a registered nurse and a women's hormone coach, and I've worked with women over the past 10 years who feel like their bodies have gone out of control, especially after the age of 35, with the belly weight, the chin hair, the fatigue, the thinning hair, sticky weight, generally mood swings, period issues, and even perimenopause, PCOS, and menopause symptoms. Number 4 is going to surprise you because it's the one almost everyone misses, and yet one you can use internally, but you can also use it externally to literally cause your skin to glow. It's going to be the difference between looking tired and not recognizing yourself in the mirror to your friends asking you if you've had a procedure done. So let's dive into number 1. The very first food item on our list is seaweed. Also known as kelp, seaweed can be considered your metabolism elixir. Seaweed is rich in iodine. Iodine is one of the minerals that sustains your thyroid function, and it'll help you reverse aging because it is the metabolism queen. It helps you stabilize your cycles, boost your energy, sharpen your mental clarity, and you don't feel as sluggish. One of the women I spoke to said not only did she look old, but she also felt like a 100-year-old woman trying to do laundry. So not only do I want you to glow from the outside and to get that perky skin, that plump skin, that like dewy skin that has you look like you've just been on 1,000 vacations, but I also want you to have the energy to match. So seaweed is definitely something you want to put on your list as a food item to start adding into your diet. If you are interested in knowing more about hormone-friendly foods that are going to bring back your glow, girl, from the inside out, I want you to check out this 101, yes, 101 food guide that is a gift to you for this year. Get started. Go out there and win. And it's going to be in the description below and on the comment. Probably the first comment over there pinned, so you can get your glow back. This is the year that you look in the mirror and love your reflection. Number 2 is maybe one of my absolute favorites because, girl, it does so much more than just give you that dewy, plump, firm skin from the inside out. You can actually use it on the outside, just like number 4 that I'm going to tell you about. But number 2 is okra. Okra is associated with old people, or sometimes it is just destroyed by battering and frying. And I know, fried and battered, really tasty to you, but it throws off your hormones, especially if overdone it. You can learn to love okra made different ways, and no, it does not have to be slimy. So let's talk about why okra is incredible for your youthful glow. Okra is that natural gel substance which slows down sugar absorption in your body. So if you're struggling from fluctuating sugar content, you may be pre-diabetic, you may be insulin resistant, as is seen with PCOS. Sadly, many more women are struggling with PCOS, and it has been linked to insulin resistance. So you may not be pre-diabetic quite yet, but your insulin is starting to act up. Okra can help your body absorb some of that chaos with your blood sugars. Of course, we need to get to the source. And yes, I am yet to tell you how to get more information about the source. But I want you to think about okra like a lining for your gut to absorb beautiful things without irritation, digestive issues, tons of gas and bloating, all those things. One of the best ways to have okra, to get the full benefits of it, is drinking okra water. You've probably seen okra water floating around the internet. There are people who've been sharing about okra water and its benefits to your skin, yes, to your hair, yes, to your overall youthful vibe. absolutely to your gut bacteria, so you don't have to rely on expensive probiotics and expensive supplements, and your body will make its own GLP-1. Girl, yes. You don't have to buy GLP-1 in a bottle. That is the biggest fad and the most, one of the things that makes me the most upset in this season is weight loss drugs that are selling GLP-1 and supplements. Girl, GLP-1 is made in your own body by your body's gut bacteria. And yes, you have to feed that gut bacteria. And guess what it eats? Fiber. Fiber. Fiber, that's it. And fiber is not found in anything other than plant foods. Meat products, animal products, no fiber, zero. Zero, nada, nothing. But your plant foods are packed with fiber. So when you think of, hey, I want to get my gut together so that my skin can glow, so that I can have greater energy, so that I can start dropping, melting fat off your body, which is why vegan diets work, but that's not what we're talking about today. However, if you want to make your own GLP-1 and in large quantities, feed it fiber. Okra has an advantage because it has a soluble fiber. That's what makes it kind of slimy. So if you drink okra water, or if you stir fry your okra until it's drier so that it's not slimy for you, so you get more of the benefits, of course, with the slimy version. Okra can also be used, that slimy water can be used on your hair, girl. And yes, you can make a mask out of it and put it directly on your skin to boost your natural glow on your skin, because it is so full of hydration, you know, that mucousy stuff, like it holds a lot of water. It's going to help you look more youthful, reverse aging, and have a radiant, like plumpness, juiciness. So again, I want you to think from the cause and not just think, okay, what can I slap onto the symptoms to make them disappear? Unfortunately, that's what the pharmaceutical industry has taught us. But you can actually give your body what it needs to make the thing for you. So I'm very excited about hearing about your testimonies about okra. And one of the most incredible things that okra can do for you as a woman, especially if you're past your 30s and maybe approaching your 40s and you don't have the mood to do the happy, slap, you know, wham, bam time with your husband, and you've been feeling really badly about, maybe you've been dry, maybe you just don't have the mood, your libido is low. Girl, get you some okra water. It's going to give you that juiciness, just like, you know, that slime with the okra water. Girl, chug that stuff. I'm telling you. Drip. Okay, so get that into your diet as well. Why wouldn't you, instead of spend thousands of dollars on some supplements? So let's get to number 3. With number 3, we are talking about something that is so powerful for women's hormones, even beyond your aging. And you're going to see this trend happening because yes, this one can also be used externally, especially for your hair. You want that lush hair to return, tired of that thinning hair? Listen up close. Number 3 is flax seeds. Flax seeds are packed with omega fatty acids, which are essential to build your hormones. Again, your good hormones that you want your body to build so that you can reverse all that hormone damage of speedy aging. But flax seeds are also high in lignans. Lignans, in fact, they are the highest source of lignans on the planet so far, as found, you know, because they've been found to have 800 times more lignans than the next thing. Whatever the next thing is, they're 800 times more lignans. Why do lignans matter, and what are lignans? Well, lignans are a particle that is sort of like a natural estrogen. So what happens as you get into perimenopause and menopause, as you start to age, is your body does not sometimes produce enough of the good estrogen. We have 3 types of estrogens in our body, but you want your body to thrive in your excellent feminine, happy, like good, gentle oxygen. And lignans are known as a precursor and or sort of kind of like an estrogen. They are not fully understood, but let me tell you what they've been known to do. They fight cancer, they fight heart disease, and lignans can also help you do the opposite effect, which is help you detox excess estrogen if you have too much of it. I mean, it's just a wonderful all-round compound that is really underrated and mostly ignored. Flax seeds are something you can add to your diet so easily by adding it to your morning cereals or your hot oatmeal. You can add it to baked goods. You can also add it to a little bit of water, let it sit until it gets that mucigenous again. It's one of those slime creators, and you can drink it, and it'll also help you become more regular. It also helps with Juicy Lucy. Again, getting you not to be dry anymore and getting you to be in the moods, because it helps with your estrogen balance. So when your estrogen is up, you feel more feminine, you feel more ready, you feel more welcoming, and you're more likely to actually initiate and want to do the happy dance with the lights on. Girl, can you imagine what that feels like? It'll also help reduce your bloating, so that extra puffiness that just happens, under your eyes, the bags and different parts of your face that changes the shape of your face. You don't want that anymore. You want to glow, you want your skin to look dewy, and you want to feel and look more youthful. So flax seeds can help you reduce that bloating and give your body the building blocks to make the hormones you need to reverse your aging symptoms. The external use for flax seeds is for your hair. Flaxseed hair masks have been known to help you thicken your hair and give it better shine. In fact, some people, instead of using the toxic gels, make their own gel out of flaxseed, and supposedly it does not get crusty and white and all that kind of stuff. It leaves your hair looking shiny and pins it down, even for type 4C hair. If you know, you know. But flaxseed gels have been used over the years with great success. Now we're on to the 4th one, the one that I told you needed to wait for, and I'm so glad you're still here because you will not regret it. Number 4 is something that tastes just kind of ugh. Okay, I'm not even gonna sideways swipe it here. This is not one of those delicious foods, and that is blackstrap molasses. Not all molasses is created equal. Blackstrap molasses, unsulfured, because you don't want the sulfuring process, and you want to make sure that it is as pure as can be. Blackstrap molasses sounds like one of those pioneer foods, and these days most of the places we encounter it is in additives. People add it to things to turn them brown, like for example white sugar versus brown sugar. The only difference is that they threw some blackstrap molasses on that thing. It is such a deception. Molasses has also been added to things like barbecue sauce. That's what kind of turns ketchup, with an addition of a few spices and blackstrap molasses into barbecue sauce. Blackstrap molasses is one of the richest sources of iron, magnesium, potassium, B vitamins naturally. Those minerals are so amazing for your skin. In fact, blackstrap molasses is a great skin mask all by itself, and your skin will feel amazing. It's one of those skin masks that does not dry out and pull at your skin, and people with dry skin and those with oily skin and blah blah blah. None of that, okay? You can put on blackstrap molasses and just apply it to your skin and look and feel amazing when you wash it off. In fact, I want you to let me know in the comments if you've tried a blackstrap molasses mask, and just encourage the women that come through here. Tell them how amazing it is, because it really should be sold in a tiny little bottle for hundreds of dollars for how great a skin mask it is. It also supports your hormones so that you can fight that speedy aging by supporting your thyroid. Again, those elements that we talked about, the nutrition that is rich in blackstrap molasses. It helps you improve sleep because of the high magnesium content, and it also helps soothe cortisol, like bring down cortisol levels. It helps reduce PMS cramps, partly because of the high content of iron and also the magnesium in there, and it helps you stabilize your energy. So one of the ways you can add it to your diet is, whenever you have your teas, instead of sweetening them with whatever sweetener you choose, you can add blackstrap molasses. Will it change the taste? Yes. But one of the ways I love to make blackstrap molasses taste good is to add it to hot water and then add lemon to it. So you can see how you can actually add whatever herbs that you're taking for your teas. And I don't mean caffeinated teas, I mean decaf, just natural herbs that you're taking for your hormone support. If you'd like to know more about herbs you can consume for your hormone support, check out this video here or this other video here that I've gone in depth talking about your hormones and herbs. Now, like I told you earlier in the video, if you would like to know more about your hormones, girl, there is a once in a lifetime opportunity that hopefully will still have seats for you. It's coming up in June of this year. And that is the Restore Her Hormones Conference that is happening right in Louisville, Kentucky at the incredible legendary Galt House. Yes, because wellness also deserves luxury. And girl, we have secured the best venue for you, the most incredible speaker lineup you can imagine, internationally acclaimed women who've helped women like yourself for years, decades. One of them, Barbara O'Neill, has in fact served women for over 40 years. And she is one of the leading voices in natural hormone education. In fact, I learned what I know from her over 10 years ago, and I took it and I ran with it. So I want to encourage you to get your seat. I'll be there. You can check it out on the website. Definitely get your seat. You will change not just your life, but generations. If you have a daughter, a sister, an aunt, somebody, a teenager, because yes, it's going to be teenage friendly as well. We're going from puberty to menopause. You will never have another opportunity like this to understand your hormones. And I speak that boldly because women's health and hormones has been largely ignored, which is why we're here. We've been brushed aside by the system. We've been told nothing is wrong. We've been mistreated, when it's been our hormones, and given all kinds of medication for all kinds of things. I've been there, okay? So, and I've worked with women over the last 10 years who've also been there. This is your opportunity to become the CEO of your health. This is your opportunity to take back your health and pass good health on to someone else. In fact, you may be the next hormone coach, educator, just because of this event that is diving right into hormones from every angle you can imagine, so that you will have power over your health. Okay, girl, grab your seat. I promise you, they're not going to last. So now that you have that opportunity to take a deep dive and find out more about your hormones, again, I have the free gift down below with the 101 foods. Grab it, just grab it and start today. See what else you can add to your diet. Remember, wellness is so personalized, giving your body the building blocks it needs to help you let go of the weight, get fuller hair, get your energy back, and in this case, those 4 things we just talked about to help you along in getting your youthful glow. Girl, get out of here and go glow out of control. I'm so excited for you. Thanks for hanging out with me in this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video where we're gonna talk about something just as equally exciting, if not more. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss a video. This is your year to finally feel like yourself again, and an even better version than you've felt in the past. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.